Hey creators, welcome to part 2 of Must Have Canva Apps. Today we walk through 5 apps that saves tons of your time and elevates your design to a professional level. The first lesser-known app is Rippler app. The Rippler app in Canva is a unique tool designed to add dynamic ripple effects, creating a sense of movement and fluidity. First search for Rippler in Apps section, then select your image. Now add the ripple spots and then click on play. It will gradually create ripple effect on the image with varied intensities. Hit pause when you get the desired result. Now click on Add to Design. You can repeat these steps by varying the ripple spots until you achieve the desired result. Make sure to adjust the ripple intensity and direction to complement the overall design without overwhelming the main focus. This effect is perfect for adding an object's reflection in water. Here, we can create a reflection that complements the waves of the water or any fluid by adding lesser or more ripples, enhancing the visual coherence of your project. Next app is a Wrap Brush app. It's a game-changer app in Canva. It elevates the possibility of creative editing in Canva. For this, go to the app and select an image. Here we have options like wrap, grow, or shrink. Users can customize brush settings like size and intensity to suit specific design needs. Here, select a brush size. Now use wrap option. Here, with every stroke of brush, the particular area of the image can be distorted from its position, giving us a lot of photo manipulation options. By doing so, we can also create a wavy effect to the image. Similarly, the grow option increases the size of a particular area. Here, keep clicking on the particular area where you want to increase its size. Make sure to keep the brush strength low so that you can control its effect without distorting the image too much. The third option is shrink, which helps in reducing the size of the selected area. This can be used to reduce the size of particular text or some specific area in our image. Here also, keep a smaller brush size and a lower brush intensity to get a better control over our editing. The next app is Mesh Gradient app. The Mesh Gradient app in Canva is a powerful tool for creating smooth, multicolor gradients background. It allows you to blend several colors seamlessly, offering a dynamic and modern aesthetic. Here, either choose a circular or curve gradient style. Click on Randomize Position. Tips for using the Mesh Gradient app effectively. Start with a simple color palette. Begin with 2 or 3 complementary colors to ensure a harmonious blend. Experiment with opacity. Use transparency settings to create subtle overlays. Once you get the desired result, click on Add to Design. The next and must-have app in Canva is Image Blender app. The Image Blender app in Canva is a versatile tool that allows users to seamlessly merge multiple images, creating unique and captivating compositions. Here you just need to go to the app and select your image. Choose from the option linear or radial to blend the image. This will perfectly blend the image to its background, creating a more professional and gradient effect. It is also a powerful tool to remove sharp edges from the main image and create a cohesiveness between the subject and the background. The next app is Reshape app. The Reshape app in Canva is a dynamic tool that allows users to transform their designs with innovative geometric patterns, giving images a 3D perspective. Here we have various options like wrap, distort, skew, and perspective. Using this app, we can create a 3D illusion in our design, like adding a shadow using distort option. That will add a more realism to the design. Also, we can add a perspective image or text in our image. Tips for using the Reshape app effectively. Experiment with anchor points. Move anchor points to create various effects, enhancing the design's depth. Preview frequently. Regularly check how changes affect the overall design to maintain visual harmony. Continue adjusting the anchor points to get the desired result.
If you liked this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you want more viral Canva hacks.